This is Sarah Keith from SundaySchoolNetwork.com. Today I want to show you how to make a palm leaf cross using a palm leaf. Now if you don't have a palm leaf, then you can use green butcher paper or any kind of long green paper, or you can use white paper, but it's more fun to do it with a palm leaf. Living here in Southeast Florida, they're easy to come by. If you're in other parts of the country, not so much. So then you might have to use some green butcher paper to do it. But you basically cut a piece of 24 to 26 inch paper, letting it be blunt end on one and trailing off to a point on the other. And at the end of the video, I'm going to post links to get the directions to do this. And I will also have two other links, one for an Easter skit that you can do together with your kids while you're home during the COVID crisis, and another one that is for adults to read to talk about what Jesus accomplished on Palm Sunday, as well as what he accomplished through Easter and his resurrection. So those links will also be down below the video. I hope you enjoy it. So I hope you enjoy doing this, and I hope you enjoy watching the video as well. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you would, share the video as well. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these directions, put them aside. I've already cut a palm. Well, here's one I already made. Some people like to cut this part, the trailing part off, but I kind of like the trailing part on there. So it's up to you. Okay, so here we go. I've got this long piece of palm leaf. I've already got it prepared. And coming up from the bottom, you go up about 5 to 6 inches, and then you fold the long piece down and you press it. Now when you press these folds, it's important to press them nice and tight so that it stays put. Okay, and so got that first fold down, and we're going to go to the next one. So come down a little bit from the top to make your crossbar. The first one's going to go at you're going to fold it at an angle there, straight out, my right. I'm not sure if it's going to be your right or your left. Okay, so we got that folded out. Then I'm going to fold it backwards. And again, so I'm going to judge the crossbar. That's it. That looks about right. You can bring it in or you can bring it out. I'll put mine about right there. And again, make sure you get those creases nice and tight. Crease it good. And then you're going to imitate that same length on the other side as best you can. Squeeze it down nice and tight. And then you're going to fold this up. And you're going to come around and down, and then you're going to squeeze it again tight there, and around the bottom, squeeze it tight, fold it a diagonal up, squeeze it tight right there, and one more fold down, and then you have your little trailing section here, and you're going to tuck it in right there. And that is the back of your cross. Then you turn it over, and there you go. Nice little palm cross. You know, Jesus rode up to Jerusalem on what we now call Palm Sunday, but it was actually Lamb Selection Day, and he was riding up into Jerusalem. The people were praising him and waving palm branches, hailing him as king, and within a very short period of time, he would be jeered and mocked and crucified. He did this for our benefit, for our salvation, and the cross remembers what he did for us on that day. I hope you all are having a great Lent season, despite what's happening in the world. As God's children, we continue to pray for God's mercy and strength and forgiveness. I just bless all of you. I thank you for all of you, and I thank you for watching this video today. I pray that you stay safe and well. God bless you. Happy Palm Sunday, everyone. We'll hear from you soon. God bless you. Bye-bye.